How to upgrade to cash management on Robinhood. Step 1. Check eligibility. Ensure you are eligible for cash management. Robinhood offers features like a debit card and interest on uninvested cash. Step 2. Access the upgrade option. Open the Robinhood app and navigate to the cash management section. If it's not visible, check for app updates or visit their website for more information. Step 3. Follow the upgrade process. Follow the on-screen instructions to upgrade. You may need to provide additional information or agree to new terms and conditions. Step 4. Confirm and use your account. Once upgraded, you will receive a Robinhood Cash Card and can start using cash management features. Check your account for the new routing and account numbers. So this is how to upgrade Robinhood to cash management.